So this is the new Baja Designs headlight. Pretty bright. Aimed a little bit too high. I gotta adjust it, I think, for next time. And then I'm pairing it with my Tusk helmet light. So the both of them, plenty of light. Night ride with the new headlight. Alright guys, as promised, the first night ride with this Baja Designs headlight that I just put on the bike. But first, listen to these frogs. Those things were so loud. Anyways, so when I bought this bike back in January, I started posting pictures and I got a lot of questions about this headlight, so I told everybody I was going to eventually make a night ride video, kind of go over my night riding setup. So here it is, first night ride of the year. This is my 2022 YZ250FX, and I put a Baja Designs Squadron Sport XL, and it's 3150 lumens. The headlight is really bright. Although this was the first night ride with it, I thought I had it aimed right, but it needs to come down a little bit, so I'll adjust that before our next night ride. So I apologize for the light being somewhat up in the trees. Not really up in the trees, but just too far forward. So this is a similar setup that I put on my last FX, which I had the regular Sport, and this is the Sport XL. Now, the only difference between the two is the regular Sport has 4 LED spots, and this one has 2 spots and 2 floods, but they're both 3150 lumen. So these newer FXs, they share the same stator as the 250F, so you only get 40 watts to play with. So I picked the Sport again because this is only a 26 watt headlight, so that leaves me, you know, sitting plenty comfortable. And the light is plenty bright. One thing with the GoPros is they're not the best in low light situation. Most people know that, but this light is actually brighter than what it actually looks like in the video. And my opinion is, no matter how bright your headlight is, you pretty much always pair it with a helmet light. I'm running the Tusk helmet light, which is an additional 2000 lumens, so altogether I'm running 5150 lumens, which is plenty bright. But yeah, like I said, no matter what, you always want to run a helmet light, just so when you're looking into your corners, you can see farther into your corners. And then, not to mention, when you stop and take a break, you know, you got your helmet light, so you have light, so you don't have to either keep your bike running or just have your headlight on your bike draining your battery. So yeah, that's my light setup. So why don't you guys drop a comment down below and let me know if you guys ride at night at all, what bike you have, if you got a headlight, you use helmet lights. Yeah, let's get a conversation started. And also, if you've never tried night riding, I know I've said it before in other videos, it's a must. Take this trail here, for example. This is the Big O. I've ridden this trail, seriously, probably 100 times. At least it seems like 100 times. You know, and some trails can get boring. But if you ride the same trail at night, it just changes everything. It's like a brand new trail. So anyways, let me know if you guys night ride. Let me know what your setup is, and I'll just let you guys finish out this video. Another few minutes of us just riding, no talking. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, and definitely subscribe if you're not already. I got a bunch of new stuff coming up. Alright, thanks for watching.
Definitely got to make some adjustments on that headlight. Okay, yeah. Yeah.